I could just pull someone up from the audience and have them dance with
Okay,
me. Oh
you know
my
what?
God, Jonah, get up here.
Look.
Let's dance. Let's dance.